What the? This is the smallest ball head I've ever seen. But the question is it any good? And what the heck would you use it for? But before getting into the details of this little micro, I'd like to welcome Koolehaoda as a new sponsor to my channel and for sending me a couple of their products to review. In addition to this, they sent me their cool little compact fluid head. Keep an eye out for that review. It's coming up soon. So, what can this baby handle? I don't think so, but this is a light-duty unit that punches way above its weight class. The CNC machining and the finish on this thing is vernace, as is the knurling on the adjustment knob here. One knob adjusts all. Simple, easy. This little micro is great for all kinds of jobs, like mounting a microphone or a small display on your camera cage, or your mini LED lights on a light stand, or your action cam. You can run with this thing. It holds pretty good. Not moving, not budging. Told you, it punches way above its weight class. This micro ball head comes with a removable cold shoe. Pops off, so you can thread it to any 1/4-20 thread for mounting. Quick, easy, mounted to anything you like. And this brings me to my micro complaints. There are a couple. One, the cold shoe only has one adjustment collar, one tightening down collar. So when you tighten it down onto the cold shoe of whatever device you're putting it on, there is no way to adjust the direction of the actual ball head to tighten it down. So you've just got to tighten that down as tight as it'll go. But sometimes the little notch here for the 90 degree isn't in the right spot. Maybe it's off to the corner, but you want it angled a different way. So you got to move the stand or whatever it is that you're on. Again, it's a very minor issue, but it's something. So the other issue I had was sometimes when I would connect it to a 1/4-20 thread, it would bottom out onto the ball head and it wouldn't adjust. So this is okay. It's tight and it still moves, but on one of my light stands, when I tightened it up, it bottomed out against the ball head. So the ball head wouldn't move. So that could damage the ball head. At the very least, you can't adjust it. So that's just the other issue. Two very minor things. So what's it cost? $13 Canadian, which is what, $1 US? Conclusions? It's a good piece of kit. Unlike other small, micro, mini ball heads I've had, where you tighten them up and they either work or they don't, they're on or they're sloppy. This one, it drags. It stays tight and you can drag it around. You don't have to tighten it up so hard it doesn't move and then you crack it a bit and it starts flopping around like this thing here. It's well built. It weighs nothing, costs nothing. Pick up a bag of them. Throw them in your kit. Hey, thanks for watching. Links are in the description below, and there's a few more reviews in the queue. 2 more mini ball heads, a bigger than the one I just did. Fluid head coming up real fast, and a couple of power banks you might be interested in. So subscribe if you're interested.